Hello, my name is Ben Hendershot. I'm a construction manager with Summit Custom Homes. Today I'm going to be talking with you about hot water heaters. What we have here today is a 50-gallon Rheem gas hot water heater. Some basic components of this hot water heater are, the first would be the on and off valve for the water supply. To shut off the water supply to a hot water heater, simply take this handle and rotate it 90 degrees. This will cut off any water supply coming to the hot water heater. To turn the water supply back on, simply rotate it 90 degrees in the opposite direction. Because this is a gas hot water heater, it is also equipped with a gas valve. To turn off the gas supply to the hot water heater, simply turn the valve 90 degrees clockwise. To turn the gas back on to the hot water heater, turn it 90 degrees in the opposite direction or counterclockwise. It is recommended that about once a year you drain approximately 1/3 of the water out of a hot water tank. This is to eliminate any damage to the elements inside of the hot water tank from hard water. To do this, you will need a flathead screwdriver and a hose. The first step will be shutting off the water supply to the hot water heater. Simply rotate it 90 degrees to turn off the water. Next, you will insert a hose on the valve at the bottom of the hot water heater. After the hose is securely fastened to the valve and ran to an area appropriate for distribution, take a flathead screwdriver and insert it in the top of the valve and rotate it counterclockwise until the valve is open and water is flowing out. When you open the valve, you may hear a gurgling type of sound. This is due to water in the air pressure not being relieved. Once a small amount of water is drained from the hot water tank, below the relief valve here, you will want to open the relief valve to relieve the air pressure. If you open this valve before the water is below the valve, then water will disperse out of the bottom of the relief valve. After approximately 1/3 of the water is drained from the hot water heater, simply take your flathead screwdriver, insert it in the top of the valve, and rotate it clockwise until the valve is turned off. Then, disconnect the hose from the bottom of the valve and turn your relief valve back off and simply turn the water supply back on.